I'm going to expect a very good time. We're at this beautiful venue, got all of our family, friends, a lot of different people coming together from different backgrounds. It's going to be a great day. We got some good food, got some good drinks.
You know, I was worried there wouldn't be enough hill climbing in the wedding, and you know, that was an unfounded concern, apparently. Now, I'd like a picture with the bear. How possible is that?
I've never seen Jake so happy like he is whenever he is with Gaby. You're his constant. In the ever-busy life he lives. Why am I crying? Jake, I love you. I respect you. So with that being said, Gaby, thank you, because he is your problem now.
Well, we're gathered here today to witness the coming together of two people whose hearts and spirits are already entwined as one. And so it's now that Jacob and Gaby will profess before God, their family and their friends of their desire to henceforth walk this road of life together. And we're gathered here today to witness that. We also wanted to know their intent. So I ask, do you, Jacob, knowing of Gaby's love for you, in returning it, realizing her strengths and learning from them, recognizing her weaknesses and accepting them, take Gaby to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
He memorized that. Do you, Gaby, knowing of Jacob's love for you and returning it, realizing his strengths and learning from them, recognizing his weaknesses and accepting them, take Jacob to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Who said, "I love you" first? Who is the better dancer? Who is the better singer?
Shark
I wasn't listening, I guess.
Baby shark
I'm glad he's uphill and also larger than me. That's a good.
I was gonna put mom.
You know, this wedding's gonna really increase your car insurance premium. I'm gonna break my ankle back here. Give me $40.
So I'm really excited for the two of you and to kind of know you both separately and see you come together. It's really awesome.
Couldn't be happier for the two of them. They're perfect for each other. We used to just run around together in high school, get in all sorts of trouble together. He was always involved with a lot of them too.
Always.
Any winter snow day, we always did some stupid stuff.
I remember one time I called Jake that my theater was on fire, and he promptly answered his second cell phone and told me he called me back. He never called me back.
Am I supposed to smile?
Yeah. Nope.
Now I'm done. It's finished.
The determination, resiliency, and unconditional love that these two have are just a few of the reasons why I know they are made for one another and will have an extraordinary life together. I can't wait to see what they accomplish together and see their love continue to grow.
I do want to thank everyone for making the trip. I know a lot of you came a long distance, and it means the world to me and Gaby that we have our family and friends here, and you're able to enjoy this day with us. So,
Thanks, guys.
In love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as we drink,
Oh, honey, you're beautiful.
so we could disregard the thought of ever having to part.
Proud of you.
Summer is for falling
You'll be such a beautiful girl.
in love.
Sorry you made you cry. You look amazing. Love you. Love you too. Gaby, I've never wanted anything more than to be here with you right now. Everything about this has seemed impossible until this very moment, as is happening. It's impossible that someone with your depth of kindness and talent and love for life has chosen me to be your partner. I vow to be the best husband I can be and to love you with all my heart until I die.
Jake, when I first saw you walk into the theater, the whole room lit up. I felt like you were the only person in the room. Your presence feels safe and comforting. I admire your confidence. You make me a better person. I vow to be the best wife I can be for you, the wife that you deserve. I vow to be your boo-boo forever and always.
I had no idea the whole contingency of teachers that came. Yeah. My teacher wouldn't come to my wedding.
Yeah, he looked pretty apprehensive.
Love you. Love you, Mom.
You didn't look at me before? That was it.
Love you, Dad.
Don't forget you just fall. 1, 2, 3, yeah! Thanks, Mark. Thank you.
Welcome to the family.
Thanks.
I don't know what to do, crazy.
I love you.
Love you.
Yes.
Do a thing? Do some type of thing? Do a jig? Oh, man. I vow to always care for you, to protect you, and to keep you as my #1 priority. I vow to have fun with you and make all the small moments count.
I know that you will always take care of me, and I promise to always take care of you. No matter what comes our way, I promise to stand by you and get through it together.
Last one, just for fun. Who has the crazier family?
She is taking a video of a picture of you picking my nose. By the way, just so everyone knows what's going on.
Congratulations, Jake and Gaby. So happy to have met Gaby in St. Louis. Quite the time with the pandemic. So happy for you guys and wish you a beautiful life together. So sad for you, Jake and Gaby.
We love you guys.
Jacob and Gaby, you two have been in my life for a long time, and I'm very lucky to be able to be here with you, Jacob. Life's life, and I'm glad that I'm be able to be a part of yours, and this is what matters right now.
Hi Gabby! I am so excited to be here on your big day. We are so happy for you guys.
Somebody to lean on. Call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. Just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. If there is a load you have to bear that you can't carry, I'm right up the road. I'll share your load if you just call me. If you need a friend, call me.
Gabby, with this ring, I commit to you. As this ring encircles your finger,
Always be reminded my love encircles your heart.
I've never been more excited for a day in my life.
Jacob, this is the best part of any wedding ceremony for a groom. You finally get to kiss your beautiful bride. That was a pretty good kiss there, huh?
Oh, there's my girlfriend. I said I'm gonna toss a bouquet right to her.
I do want to know.
So watch out. That means that you guys are getting married.
They've asked me to ask you, do you sanction this marriage with your blessing and receive Gabby with love as a member of your family?
Yes, of course.
She said absolutely. Thank you. Do you sanction this marriage with your blessing and receive Jacob with love as one of your family?
Taste of your lips, I wanna ride. You're toxic, I'm slipping under. The more you look happy and healthy, not me. If you ever can ask, can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? No mountain high enough.
That was a pretty good kiss there, bro. Would you all please stand as I take the privilege to introduce to you for the very first time as husband and wife, the new Mr. and Mrs. Next Marriage.
I messed up our vows. I forgot something I wanted to say.
What did you want to say?
I wanted to say that I can't imagine my life without you. And you make me a better man.